Kai. Now what happen for that side for Mbouda? Now another thing that some Pikin for 4 years, and then we order a friend them. That means say 4 Pikin them in total. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 days ago. That means say for Tuesday, now that news it enter. For that quarter for that side from Mbouda where they call us say Baobong. Baobong for Mbouda, it happened the way it happened. 3, 4 Pikin them, they go chop some dame. Now they give them dame. You know, another one will happen for New Bell, no? That one for New Bell, where they chop na biscuit. Other people they talk say no. Apart from that galette them, that means say that biscuit them where they make a fabricator for us. That Pikin them, they chop some other chops, man get a chop. So with the receive investigation for know what happen. Governor is every day. But from Mbouda, the one way now the other tragedy. Now for that quarter I tell you now, they Pikin them na never get a chop. Never get a chop. Now so it happened for that side from Mbouda. Now what catching they put up for that chop? Before that Pikin them, they chop am for get this food poisoning. Now wait see. Now say they will cook the chops until happen na petrol. Now I don't know. If I say now people them for sanitation and health experts them, they go good at test for see what they chop am inside their belly before it happen. So food poisoning. Food poisoning na thing way it happen all time. So we will be careful. If you cook chop for us, you must control am. If you come out, Pikin enter do something, or use yourself, you must use correct water, wash and fine, for do what you do am. Because intoxication na easy thing. If na vegetable, you get to wash and fine. Because if you don't wash am, na sick way they call am for skin that. Na thing wey happen that for Baobong for Mbouda.